Hello traders, the title of the video is live CCI trading. Or I'm using a CCI period 14 and I want to share with you a specific CCI trading strategy that you can use for CCI scalping, CCI day trading, CCI for swing trading. Alright, very powerful. So you can see here that the CCI period 14 was declining. Can you see? It's declining, and the price was going up. All right. If the common set trend line here, you see the common set trend line here is broken, we can sell it. And I showed it at 071460. Well, I showed it there. And is it going down? Can you see that it's going down? This is a live trading. The time in London is 37 minutes past 12 p.m. on the 9th of April 2019. Well, I'm on a 15-minute time frame, scalping, and showed it at 07146 using the strategy that I want to share with you. I recommend to traders that want to trade the CCI like a pro to watch the full length of this tutorial. So if you do not have enough time to watch it in full, don't start watching it. Go back and come back when you have time to watch it in full. All right? So I want to explain it to you everything. All right? The CCI is going down, and the price was going down for a while. This is what we call divergence. But this video is not about the CCI divergence. So you may say, George, I know about CCI divergence. This is not what we're about to talk about. We're going to talk about, okay, the CCI and the price structure. All right? So understand this. So if we see a CCI divergence and the common strength line is broken, we can decide to sell it. And it's going down nicely, okay? But there are two safest trades that we can take after that. This is the purpose of this tutorial. The two safest CCI trading setup. When you see that divergence, which is the first condition, we see a bearish divergence. Okay, CCI is going down, price going down. The second condition is that the common strength line is broken. In order to identify the first safest CCI trading setup, the price goes down. So there is a divergence, and then common strength line is broken. If we see after the divergence a compliance, what do I mean by compliance? Which means CCI was going down first before the price. If the price is now going down, we have a compliance. So if it goes down, that this, and the common strength line or that move down is also broken, we have the first safest CCI trading signal. What you see here that is happening now, okay, is not yet the safest CCI trading setup. It's just a CCI divergence. The safest CCI trading setup will be completed after the price goes down for some time, and then the common strength line is broken. We implement a different time frame trading to take that safest trading signal. So divergence, common strength line is broken, compliance, common strength line is broken. We have the first safest CCI trading setup. The second safest CCI trading setup will occur after we bought it here, which means we take the first safest CCI trading setup. If the price goes up and the common strength line is broken, we implement a top-down trading method to sell it. That will be the second safest CCI trading setup. Now, to understand the strategy that I'm discussing here, you can watch the video that I titled, "Is CCI a leading indicator?" at Day Pro Traders YouTube channel. There's a video that I titled, "Is CCI a leading indicator?" at dayprotrader.com. And you want to watch the full length of that tutorial. Okay? Now, in fact, what I'm doing here, the setup is on an hourly time frame. Look carefully here on the hourly time frame. CCI going down, yes or no? Everybody agrees. And the price was going up. Okay? Now the common trend line on the hourly time frame is broken. Did the price go down? Yes, it did go. It did go down. See? So there was a diversion. Common trend line is broken. People sold it down. Though this is not yet the safest trade, our safest trade takes place after this common trend line, the one I'm going to color now into red, is broken. Now, more experienced traders, the experience count, my friend, can enter the trade before this candlestick bar here is closed. But normally, we should wait for that candlestick bar to close first before we should start implementing a top-down trading method. But more experienced traders can enter the trade, which means if, for instance, you see this on the hourly time frame, after this candlestick bar here is closed, though the common trend line is broken, you can quickly go to the 10-minute time frame to monitor the price. And if on the 10-minute time frame, a 10-minute candlestick bar closes above that common trend line, you may decide to enter the trade, all right, and control the risk. All right. I don't want the video to be too long, otherwise I'll be talking about everything else. All right. So that will be the first. This is a safest CCI trading setup that is occurring here. People bought it. People who understand that system bought it. Price went up. Yes. Now, if after the price went up, after we have taken that first safest CCI trading signal, if this common trend line again is also broken, we have again what? A safest CCI trading setup. That's why I went to the 15-minute time frame to sell it. As you can see, the price went down. I found a bit of support. You see this one got a tail here, and the traders are aware of it, all right? And they are taking a bit of profit near that support. But the truth is that it went down. But the setup, in fact, was on the hourly time frame. But it's not finished yet. Though you see that tail on the 50-minute time frame, it may go down more because this is a safest CCI trading setup. It may go down more on the hourly time frame. So this is the first safest CCI trading setup. This is the second one just starting now. We are just seeing the reaction on the 50-minute time frame. What I need to say to traders, which is very, very important, okay? If you see something like this, all right, and you learn, you say, Joe, wow, it's working, it's beautiful, I like it. Don't go and use your live, okay, trading account. Use a demo account. There are many free demo accounts. Just Google search free demo account with live data. All right, brokers, okay, are giving to their client free demo account. They are using also, or you can also YouTube search. All right, you can YouTube search or Google search. Okay, trading simulation software, and then you sit down maybe for 4 hours. I've done it myself, and then you practice using a specific strategy until you master. You say, "Wow, now I master it. Now it's working. Now it's good." So after you have tested, you are practicing. All right. For traders that are working, you come back from work, the market still open. You don't have a demo account, or you do not have a simulation trading software, a free simulation trading software. All right, just take a piece of paper, like here, you can say, I enter the trade at 0.71460. I place my stop loss at 0.7150. So you want to be honest with yourself. How much stop loss, if you were using your live trading account, how much stop loss will you post it there? Don't just place the stop loss and say, oh, it was a successful trade. Will you put 15 pip? Will you put 20 pip? Will you put 30 pip? Put that there. All right? And see whether they will take you out when you are live trading. Sometimes it may be just, they may take you out because you place your stop loss at the wrong place, or you do not have enough funds to protect the trade. All right, reasonable for day trading. I prefer to use 30 pip. For some financial instrument, I may use more. But In my mind, my limit is like 30 people. I don't want to use more than that, all right? Sometimes we use less. Understand? So, but when you are practicing using a demo account or the simulation, do it as you would have done it with a real account. Otherwise, doesn't make any sense at all. You can be proud of yourself that, oh, it was a successful sale after a successful trade. But if you are not honest, but if you had real money there, we'll use that stop loss. So do it properly, okay? And then after that, you master each, and then now you go and use your live trading account. That's the best approach. And also, very important, when you are using your live account, don't go and trade something else. Trade exactly the thing that you were testing it on. So you were testing it on currency, euro, dollar. It was working with the euro, dollar. When you are going to live day trade, don't go and trade another financial instrument. Trade that financial instrument or those financial instruments that were smiling to you when you were testing it. You see? And then, I'm not saying that the first trade will be a winning trade. The first trade may be a losing trade, but be courageous. Or don't be courageous, all right? Find out why it was a losing trade. Why it was a losing trade. Polish it. Okay, draw your trade line, draw your channel. Don't violate the market pattern. Don't commit any of the 6 biggest trading mistakes, all right? And see again, all right? And then when you polish it, and now you are ready for it, okay, you start enjoying it. That's the best approach. All right? So to summarize this video is that we see CCI divergence and a common strategy is broken. We can use a different time frame method to sell it. Either bullish divergence or bearish divergence. We can sell it. In the case of the bearish divergence, if the price goes down and the common strategy is broken, we have our first what? Safest trade. I need to clarify this. When I'm using the word safest, it doesn't mean guarantee. It doesn't mean that always you will have a winning trade. It means that a high probability trade. That's what I meant by safest CCI trading setup. High probability CCI trading setup. When we have a high probability trading setup, or when we have what we call a safest trading setup, we must use different time frame trading method to control the risk, or minimum at least 2 time frame. Like now we can say connect hourly time frame. So we say this is a safest CCI trading setup that is occurring. But normally we should wait for this candlestick bar that is going below the common strategy line to close first. So I have been a little bit aggressive by entering the trade now, because normally that candlestick bar should close first. And if that candlestick bar is very, very low, we'll highlight the high, the low, and the median line of that candlestick bar. And we will like the price to rally up a bit in the downtrend or to pull back a bit in an uptrend. Yes or no? You don't want the video to be too long, yes or no? All right. Okay, so this is the second safest CCI trading, which means high probability CCI trading setup. So now in a normal condition, we connect the hourly time frame to the 10-minute time frame. After that candlestick bar on the hourly time frame is closed, but it's not closed yet. It's having a tail. That's why this one, you see, this one is going back up a bit. It's having a tail. Normally we should wait. But as I told you, I'm already in it. I'm a little bit aggressive. So when we are saying that a trader is aggressive, it means that that trader is aware of the risk, but he or she decided to take the trade. But there is a difference. Sometimes some traders are not even aware of the risk. They don't know that they have been aggressive. But I am aware of it. Probably I should record a video. I should note it down. What is aggressive trading? I'll note it down, the title here, and record a video to explain it to traders more. Trader asked me about risk control. Okay, what is an aggressive trading? All right, that will be another video. I take note all the time. Also take note, all right? That's how you're going to improve. You have a losing trade, review the trade, take note. You have a winning trade, review the trade, why this one did work so beautifully, all right? And then that's why you can build, that's how I build a lot of trading strategy. That's how I created TSTW24, SYS08, okay? Because I take note, I say, why this one was so good? Why this one was so bad? What have I done wrong? Is it me? Sometimes you can have a losing trade just because you were not lucky. So you done everything correctly, but boom, they stick the finger up for you. You see, can you see bar like this? Like this. You done everything correctly, and now they push you up a bit, and they take you out. You have enough phone to challenge them again. Sometimes they take you out like that. You breathe in, you breathe out, you stay calm, and there's another opportunity to take the same trade somewhere else, and then you sell or you buy again, and behold, you get your money back at least. Because the strategy that we are doing is that we are very, very defensive. So if they take your money, you must get your money back. Not in an emotional manner. So, I have a losing trade. No, I sold it. It went up. Now I'll buy it to get my money back. Don't do that. They may take you out because you sold it, not because you were wrong. They took you out. But you were right. Stay calm, stay calm, stay calm. You may have to sell it again instead of buying. But sometimes they say, I bought it. It went up. I buy. Now it went down, especially during the consolidation. Now, I don't want to upset some trader out there, all right? Can you hear my table noise? It's making a bit of noise here. Okay, this is YouTube, by the way. So 17 minutes we are talking now. Live, CCI Trading. Can you see it's live? And the time in London now is 53 minutes past 12 p.m. On the 9th of April, 2019. So, this video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. So, somebody that is using TSTW24, for instance, all right? Are you TSTW24 trader? You can go, for instance, okay, like you see now on the hourly time frame, it happened. Okay, you see that, you say, all right, this is what you're talking about. This is one of the safest CCI setup. Okay, now wait for this currency bar to close first. And then you go to the first best time frame to take the signal. You draw your channel, you draw your trend line. If you want to sell, make sure you are selling at a key level or resistance level. If you want to buy, make sure you are buying at a key, okay, support level or key level. Sometimes traders, when they are about to buy, they just buy. They say, yes, it's safest, I buy. And so if you are TSTW24 trader, you may look for this like an hourly time frame. Go to the first best time frame, or you may go to the 2-hour time frame if this setup is also, you see, one of the safest CCI trading setup on the 2-hour time frame or 4-hour time frame or daily chart. And from there, you just go to where? To the first best time frame to trade the TSTW24. If you are a TSTW8 trader, you can look for this setup when it's completed on the daily chart. And then now you go to the signal time frame of the TSTW8. And you check other factors, you see, because this is swing trading. All right, we check other things. All right, the market environment, the time of the day, and so on. And then you see whether the signal is in place, all right, and then you enter the trade using the TSCW key 02. All right. So in fact, it's a very powerful CCI setup that I highly recommend to TSCW34 and SYS08 trader. You can even see this setup sometime on a monthly chart. So the position trader can look for it even on the quarterly chart. The same structure. So two safest CCI trading setup that we can use on any time frame. But more experience, I'm choosing my word carefully, more experienced traders. The experience comes because if you have 10 traders sitting at the same table using the same method, you will see the experience count. The new trader may struggle, the medium trader may struggle, the experienced trader may come out clean. Now, sometimes you may have all traders having a losing trend, even including the experienced traders, but probably the experienced trader may have less loss than the newest traders. So everybody may have somebody may have £100 loss, another one may have £50 loss, another one may have £25 loss. Behold, the experienced trader only had £15 loss. You see, that's what we say. Successful trading is not all about profitable trading. It's also about risk control. So I'm going to go back again, all right, to the hourly time frame. And I'm going to go over that setup one more time. There is a bearish divergence. CCI is going down, the price is going up. Now the common setter is broken. This is not yet the safest CCI trading setup. It's just a CCI divergence. All right? The safest CCI divergence is about the CCI plus the price structure. Not CCI divergence alone. So after the bearish divergence, we see a compliance, price goes down. Now the common setter line after the pullback is broken. A candlestick bar closes above the common setter line on that time frame. We use a different time frame trading method to trade, or we use the TSCW/008 or TSCW24 if you are day trading. If the price is, we take the first safest CCI trading setup. If the price goes up, so if you take it here safely using the top down middle, you get paid. Good. Now after you get paid, draw the common setter line along that price pole. Now, if the common setter line is broken, meaning that this candlestick bar is closed, still here, it's not closed yet. How long is it going to take to close? It's hourly time. The candlestick bar that is breaking it close, and it's not very long candlestick bar, because if it's a long candlestick bar, you may go away from it, or you may highlight the high, the low, and the pull, and the high, the low, and the median line, waiting for a rally up in a downtrend or a pullback in an uptrend. Hopefully, it will be too long. Long candlestick bar. A more experienced trader can catch this trend before the candlestick bar closes below it, because they will go to the nearest lower downtrend. Oh my God, it's taking too long now, isn't it? And now we have the second safest CCI trading setup. In fact, the video, I'm going to post it at the home page of www.best-tradingstrategy.com, best-tradingstrategy.com. All right, and also I'll post it at www.tstws008.com. So traders that are using the TSCW24 and SY008 trader can watch it, and so they may learn from it. All right, use different time frame trading method to control it. I don't want the video to be too long. All right, so I'm going to stop now. You see it now. You understand it. The most important is to understand it clearly, which means you accumulate the knowledge, you assimilate the knowledge. Now you're going to go and use a demo account or simulation or paper trade and master it. There will be some losing trade. You may ask a different question, and then once you are happy about it, this is about knowing your setup and trading your setup day in, day out, instead of looking for 100,000 of setup. And the financial instruments that are smiling to you, because sometimes you have a trading system, you apply it to one financial instrument, it didn't smile, try it for another thing. Did you use it for Forex? Did you use it for currency? Did you use it for ETS? And then you may see that the same strategy may not work as much, may not have the same winning rate like other financial instruments. So you choose only the financial instrument where it's working beautifully. And that's how the professionals are testing things and are making sure they are remaining in the market. But remember, you will use stop loss. You apply the 5% money management rule, and you want to control it like a pro. So, all right, you are on top of it, so to speak. Okay, I said it now. 25 minutes. That's enough. Okay. If the video has been truly useful to you, please let us know by giving us your beautiful thumbs up. Please. All right. If you have forgotten to give us the thumbs up, you remember, I forgot. Okay, come back another time and give us the thumbs up. You think that, George, this is a useless video, another repackaging, please mark it down. I do care about people who mark the video down because it helped me to improve my recording and also to discuss other topics. Sometimes trader mark video down and I say probably the trader did not expand on one particular topic in a video. Then I record another video, you see. But if you think that this is an essential tutorial for everybody that is trading CCI, okay, feel free to share with your friend on the social website, Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, okay? To learn more about CCI Trading, go to www.dayprotraders.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Day Pro Traders YouTube channel. Be sure to click on the notification bell, so anytime I hit publish on that channel, you will be the first person to be notified. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW 24 traders talking about live CCI trading. Thank you for watching, and I will speak to you soon. And I mean it. Thank you for watching.